ever struggled with paying bills on time, or maybe just to remember which bills are coming out of which paycheck on which day? Well, sister, I have got the solution for you, and I am sharing it today. Hi, I'm Michelle. Welcome. My passion is to teach everyday women with everyday money issues how to manage their paycheck so that they can meet their financial and money goals and not work until they're 80. Because let's face it, as women, we live longer and we're going to need our money to take care of us for longer. And if you stick around until the end, I'm not only going to tell you the 5 ways my online bill payment calendar truly saves my life, I have an extra special gift that will help you do the same. Give me a thumbs up or a heck yeah in the comments if you're excited about a freebie. Here are the 5 ways my online bill payment calendar saves my life. Number 1, I have all of my regular bills in my calendar as repeating appointments. All the things that keep the wheels on the bus that is my life are in a repeating appointment. And I include the amount of the bill just as a mental reminder when I'm managing my cash each week. Number 2, any quarterly or annual bills. These are the bills I used to forget to plan for the most. Bills like quarterly car insurance, my semi-annual homeowner's insurance tax payment, all of those good things. Adding these bills to my calendar and including a few reminders that they're coming due soon has been a game changer. I also set it up so that a monthly deposit was made into the savings account I used to save up for this type of bill. Number 3, I not only keep track of my regular bills on my calendar, I also keep track of all other purchases and expenditures I want to make for my niece's and nephew's birthday, my best friend's anniversary, or when I get invited to a wedding. Having them on my calendar also makes my Sunday money date more productive. Hint, I'm gonna tell you about my super awesome, super productive Sunday money date in just a bit. So hang tight. On the first day of each month, I've set up a reminder for all the birthdays and anniversaries I'm going to buy a present for or that I need to buy a card for during that month. I also set an appointment for the Saturday before the birthday, and I add the amount I've decided I'm going to spend, the budget if you will, for that present. I set it up for the Saturday before so that I remember to buy the dang present on time. Do you see why my calendar saves my life? Number 4, it's very rare for one of my clients not to have at least 2 or 3 recurring subscription payments, either streaming services, some kind of Amazon Prime service, or a meal service. I consider all of these regular bills, but some people don't, so I carve them out into their own category. Not only do I keep track of the date of these payments and how much they are in my bill calendar, I also use my calendar to manage the subscription. For example, I have a couple of meal delivery and other monthly subscription services that I kind of turn on and off. Most will let you pause the subscription for 2 to 3 months at a time. This is great for when I travel or when I've just gotten bored with their selections. Whenever I pause the subscription, I add an appointment to my bill calendar reminding me when that subscription will restart. That way, if I'm happy it's restarting, I can re-add that appointment to the calendar. If I'm not ready for it to restart, then I have a trigger to log into the service and push it out another couple of months, adding a new appointment reminder for the next restart date. Okay, I'm not going to say that this has saved me thousands of dollars, but it's definitely saved me hundreds. Number 5, this is my everything else bucket of expenses. For this, I mean groceries, gas, Target, eating out, Costco, those types of things. When I first started crafting my online bill calendar method, I would create an appointment for each of these types of expenses, including an approximate amount of what I was going to allow myself to spend. And I would create these appointments each week during my Sunday money date. Going through this planning exercise helped me feel empowered and in control of my daily and weekly money. And I had a plan going into the week of how much I was going to spend on each type of those expenses. When my money was super tight, planning to this level of detail was crucial. Additionally, adding this level of detail to my calendar, plus all the other things I've talked about, essentially created my entire budget right on my phone. Okay, time to wrap this up and tell you all about my Sunday money date that I've been teasing you about. As I said at the beginning, my online bill calendar saves my life. My money is organized. I know for sure that I'm not going to miss a payment and get a late fee, and I also know when bills or other payments are going to get automatically deducted, which means I don't get surprised by the deduction and I don't ever overdraw my checking account anymore. This is why I love my calendar, and it is my life. And because it is my life, I make sure it's stored safely in the cloud. I use a Google Calendar, but any online calendar will do. However, like any system, I also needed a process to make sure it's kept up to date. And that's why every Sunday I sit down by myself and have a money date. My money date is my weekly check-in with everything having to do with my financial life. This is where I make sure I'm on track to meet my big savings goals. I also have a look at my checking account and what bills are getting deducted that week, so I know exactly how much I've got to spend on my everything else expenses. My money date keeps me organized, not only around my money, but in my life. And it takes all of 10 minutes. My Sunday money date is a big part of my overall financial wellness. Those 10 minutes I spend each week going through everything about my money and my financial life set my week up to be organized, calm, peaceful, and productive. If you would like my money date checklist, you can get it in the description. I provided a link. Please consider it my gift to you. If today's video was helpful, please like and subscribe. It really does help because it tells the YouTube gods that you enjoyed the video. And if you enjoyed it, then YouTube thinks someone else might enjoy it too. Until next time, have a fantabulous week. Bye.